Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Has issued a special marine warning for
accumulations of up to 1/10 of an inch. Winds gusting to 25 to 30 miles per hour Sunday afternoon. Where? Litchfield County in Connecticut. In New York, Eastern Ulster and Dutchess counties. When? From 4 p.m. Saturday to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Additional details. Travel will be very difficult to impossible across the region Saturday night through Sunday morning with snow or ice-covered roadways and in addition with very low visibility and heavy snow. Snowfall rates will be in the 1 to 2 inch an hour range at times Saturday night into early Sunday. The potential for blowing and drifting snow will increase Sunday afternoon into the evening with wind chills falling below zero. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice will make travel very hazardous or impossible. Winter storm warning in effect from 4 p.m. Saturday to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. What? Heavy snow. Total snow accumulations of 12 to 20 inches. Some snow totals across the southern greens in southern Vermont may approach 2 feet. Winds will gust to 25 to 30 miles per hour Sunday afternoon. Where? Southern Vermont, western Massachusetts, and the greater capital region, Lake George, Saratoga region, southern Adirondacks, Mohawk Valley, Schoharie Valley, Helderbergs, eastern Catskills, and northern and central Taconics in east central New York. When? From 4 p.m. Saturday to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Additional details. Travel will be very difficult to impossible across the region Saturday night through Sunday morning with snow or ice-covered roadways and in addition with very low visibility and heavy snow. Snowfall rates will be in the 1 to 3 inch an hour range at times Saturday night into Sunday morning. The potential for blowing and drifting snow will increase Sunday afternoon into the evening with wind chills falling well below zero. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice will make travel very hazardous or impossible. Winter
There we go! Winter storm warning! Shit, my TV! It's about time WWE starts being played!
Of 6 to 10 inches tonight, accumulations of around 1/10 of an inch expected. Where? Portions of northeast New Jersey, southern Connecticut, and the lower Hudson Valley in New York. When? From noon Saturday to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Additional details. Travel could be very difficult. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice will make travel very hazardous. possible. Check local Department of Transportation information services for the latest road conditions. Winter storm watch remains in east winds 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Total snow accumulation in the morning, then sleet, freezing rain with a chance of snow in the afternoon.
Okay, try not to fall over.
To 35 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy.
Alright, you want to explain to me why you didn't activate 400?
Oh, maybe because it can't pick it up!
Snow and ice accumulations are values as low as 10 below. Monday night, partly cloudy.
Alright, okay, like...
You just activated now!
Dangerous travel conditions on any untreated roads. Winter storm warning in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches and ice accumulations of 1/10 to 4/10 of an inch expected. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? Hampton and southern Worcester counties. When? Mainly this evening through Sunday afternoon. Additional details. Heavy snow develops this evening. Changes to a period of freezing rain and sleet in most locations after midnight. Temperatures plunging through the 20s by mid-afternoon Sunday will result in a flash freeze and roads becoming icy. Any mixed precipitation will end as a period of snow Sunday afternoon. Travel will be very difficult and hazardous tonight through Sunday afternoon, along with poor visibility at times. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice will make travel very hazardous or impossible. Winter storm warning remains in effect. For portions of southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey, and southeast New York, including the following areas: southern Connecticut, southern Fairfield, southern Middlesex, southern New Haven, and southern New London. In northeast New Jersey, eastern Essex, eastern Union, Hudson, western Essex, and western Union. In southeast New York, Mifflin, northeastern Suffolk, northern Nassau, northern Queens, northwestern Suffolk, Staten Island, southeastern Suffolk, southern Nassau, southern Queens, southern Westchester, and southwestern Suffolk. From 1 a.m. Sunday through Sunday afternoon, a storm system approaches tonight and passes across the area Sunday. A wintry mix this evening will change over to rain across the watched area and will be heavy at times overnight and into Sunday morning. Total amounts of 1 to 2 inches is possible, which may result in flooding of urban areas and flashy streams. Any freshwater flooding will be exacerbated by coastal flooding during the Sunday morning high tide. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. For the following areas. For the following area, in Connecticut, Hartford, winter storm warning in effect until 7 p.m. Sunday. What? Heavy mixed wintry precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 6 inches and ice accumulations of 1/10 to 4/10 of an inch expected. Where? Hartford, Connecticut County. p.m. Sunday. Additional details, power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel will become very difficult. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice will make travel very hazardous or impossible. Flash flood. The National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for the Hudson River at Poughkeepsie from this afternoon until this evening. At 7 a.m. Sunday, the stage was 2.5 feet. Flood stage is 5.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is forecast to reach flood stage by 12 p.m. Sunday and forecast to continue to rise to near 5.0 feet around 12 p.m. Sunday. The river is forecast to fall below flood stage after 12 p.m. Sunday. Impact at 5.0 feet. Minor flood stage. Minor flooding of lowlands, boat docks, and boat launches. For the following areas in Connecticut, northern Fairfield, northern New Haven, and northern Middlesex. Winter storm warning in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. Wind chill advisory remains in effect from 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. Monday. What? Significant icing. Very cold wind chills expected. Additional ice accumulations of a tenth to 2 tenths. Wind chills as low as 20 below zero expected. Where? Northern Fairfield, northern New Haven, and northern Middlesex counties. When? For the winter storm warning until 6 p.m. this evening. For the wind chill advisory from 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. Monday. Additional details. Hazardous travel is expected due to icy roads. Gusty winds could bring down tree limbs and power lines due to ice accumulation. The cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of ice will make travel very hazardous or impossible. A wind chill advisory means the cold air and the wind will combine to create low wind chills. Frostbite and hypothermia can occur if precautions are not taken. Make sure you wear a hat and gloves. Check local Department of Transportation information services for